transformation. It is happening at an accelerating scale. The world we live in now has transformed tremendously from what it used to be decades ago. Today, another level of security is needed to safeguard our nation. In this fast and ever-changing environment, how creative and how intelligently we use innovations will decide how well we are able to protect this nation. The pace of change demands lightning responses. It demands fast-thinking capabilities. It demands problem-solving attitudes. These are the challenges facing nations all over the world. And it is those nations that innovate that have become the most stable economies, the most successful, the most beautiful, and the most powerful. Since 1934, the Royal Malaysian Navy has been reinventing itself constantly to stay ahead. Since then, the RMN has become one of the largest and most technologically advanced navies in Southeast Asia. To facilitate the transformation, the RMN has further emphasized the development in human capital by sharpening the Navy people's mindset to think in innovative ways, which lead to new discoveries, new inventions, new trends, and new strategies. The capabilities of future generations are being nurtured carefully by the RMN so that the knowledge-based force can be uplifted to the next level. And education is at the very core of managing this transition, as the RMN is poised to be a world-class Navy and always excellent. Here in RMN, defense capabilities are nurtured to new standards. It is a unique circle of defense and innovations that put RMN on the sharp edge of change, which compels the creation of a four-dimensional Malaysian armed forces. Surface, air, subsurface, and information warfare components are blended together as a tactical unit to carry out our mission to protect Malaysia's sovereignty and maritime interests. Royal Malaysian Navy towards a world-class Navy.